President Bola Tinubu has restated the commitment of his administration to leverage on technology transfer in driving the nation's economy. The president gave the assurance in Abuja at the 15th African Academic of Sciences Bi-annaul General Assembly and Scientific Conference with the theme Empowering and Advancing African Scientific Enterprise. Represented by the Minister of Science, Technology and Innovation, Godfrey Nnaji, President Tinubu said STI will form key policy direction of the federal government on areas such as food security, ending poverty, economic growth and job creation, among others.
Investing in scientific research and technological innovation can lead to the emergence of new industries, creating jobs and stimulating economic growth. Advances in forensic science and technology enhance our law enforcement capabilities, contributing to a safer society. Our administration is committed to fostering an environment where science and technology can flourish.
In her welcome remarks, the President of the African Academic of Sciences, Prof Lise Korster, highlighted the significance of the gathering in fostering scientific collaboration across Africa.
We need to ensure that Africa gets closer to the rest of the world in capacities for research and innovation. So, as Africa embarks on the next 10-year implementation period of its STI strategy, the AAS avails itself of this opportunity to consolidate the gains made to continue advancing Africa's research and innovation agenda. Specifically, the AAS will work to strengthen inter-Africa, very importantly, and as I mentioned yesterday, focusing on enhanced mobility, addressing our challenges around visas, etc.
Some of the participants shared their thoughts on the potentials of STI in advancing socioeconomic progress in Africa.
Our science must be solution-oriented and not textbook-focused. As Africans, making sure that we prioritize productivity, we prioritize Africa's challenges, we prioritize Africa's agendas, because without that, we can be very prolific in publishing, but not helping our countries.
In solving our problems, how can we play a very integral role in the conversations with partners from the global north as to what is needed on the continent? We know what our challenges are. We have embedded insights. And we have to ensure that we provide a critical mass of young people, of scholars that will be able to lead those conversations on those tables to ensure that we forge equitable partnerships that will be sustainable and support socioeconomic development.
With the renewed vigor and renewed efforts to rebrand the academy, to promote its role, to disseminate its critical importance in African development, and to enhance our future prospects for doing that. Therefore,
the 4-day conference will feature the induction of new fellows into the academic and announcements of the recipients of the prestigious Olusegun Obasanjo Prize. Chukwu Kerechinemere, CNN News.